Okay, so welcome everyone to the second day of our second launch week. So Daytona is super excited to share with you several new features, and today we have support for a new JetBrains IDE Fleet. So Toma is with us, and Toma, could you do a brief intro what Fleet is and how did we handle it?
Sure, of course. As with all editors inside Daytona, you can list them with Daytona ID and then configure the one that you want as your default ID. In this case, let's say we want Fleet, and we can do Daytona create, and let's do maybe our content repo. And then what happens is Daytona creates the project as always, and then after it's created, it will open the project in the Fleet IDE. So the Fleet IDE is a bit different than the other JetBrains IDEs. It's a lightweight IDE that I'd say is probably the closest competitor to VS Code in regards to other JetBrains IDEs, because it also has a similar CLI interface as does VS Code. So we actually opened the JetBrains Fleet using their own CLI, and as you can see, the workspace actually created, we automatically opened the Fleet interface, and as you can see, it's launching Fleet on the remote host. That's basically it. That's what Daytona does. It opens the Fleet while targeting our remote SSH host, and JetBrains Fleet takes care of the rest. It opens the connection automatically, and as I can see, we are now connected to the remote repo, and we can actually edit the content just as we would edit it if the Fleet was connected to our local repository. So this really is a very big convenience and a very fast way to create projects and launch them inside JetBrains Fleet automatically.
And so you just opened Daytona content repo, which is really like the first place where anyone can jump in and try to contribute to Daytona stuff. And here you can see how Daytona makes it easy also for you to jump into a new project, use whatever ID you prefer, and just contribute and do your work. So Thank you, Toma, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.